The storyteller moves his hands, shakes his body, rotates the cane. The master cuts, burns, and wets the branches. That's the story of two Sicilian men.
Ho fatto un giro al mercato.
Ciao caro,
Ciao.
Tutto bene?
Maestro, buongiorno.
Grande capo, i miei rispetti.
Auguri, anche se
Il Natale è passato, però facciamo.
Here we are in Sicilian with the Storiesdancer and master of Sicilian cane. A deep friendship binds these two curious characters. The Storiesdancer tells Sicily through the gestures of the body, and often does so through the beautiful Sicilian canes made by the master. We enter a historic place, the Theatre Emanuele Magri, where once the puppet opera was recited. The show of the paladins that has so fascinated Sicilians since the 19th century. Puppets taught the Sicilian people legality, pride, honesty. They were paladins, ones who did the right things, who hated bullies, protected their rights, taught you how to be in society, taught you respect, education. Sicilians learned everything from puppets. In this theater now, the Storiesdancer frequently proposes is a Sicily made of gestures, dances, sounds.
Io sono un danzastorie di Sicilia e mi trovo nel luogo in cui da piccolino ho iniziato a vedere l'opera dei pupi.
I am a Storiesdancer, and since I was a child I used to come here to see the puppet opera by Emanuele Magri. I got passionate about this world of tales, puppets, and today I tell Sicilian stories, our nursery rhymes, our myths and legends.
Quindi quello che noi facciamo è cercare di proporre bellezza, la bellezza culturale.
We often go abroad and our goal is to spread Sicilian culture. The Sicily of Sciascia, Pirandello, Butita, but also the Sicily of past centuries, the Greeks, Arabs, Normans.
Così come noi non siamo ballerini, siamo danzatori.
We are not just dancer, but Storiesdancer. We tell Sicily through the gestures of the body.
Dove palazzi ci dai faccia per pazzicare su pezzi di pane, viene facciuto con chiedi cutuni, viene cutino cutuni con chi, viene cutuni con chiedi cutuni, ciuni con chiedi cutuni, viene cutuni, sono cutini cutuni con chi.
The Sicilian cane is a very fascinating tool, a support for my dance, an extension of my limbs. Through this tool, I'm able to express my art even more.
Questo è il bastone siciliano. Il bastone siciliano viene portato qui in Sicilia durante la
This is the Sicilian cane. It was made during the Aragonese domination. Probably around 1400 and was used in a whirling way, especially by shepherds who protected themselves from the attack of wolves that, as you well know, attack from all sides, and therefore the rotation of the cane gave greater field of defense for the shepherd.
Come ben sapete, i viceré avevano questo gran potere di reclutare il popolo, no? Quindi lo reclutavano attraverso il fascino anche del bastone. Il bastone divenne bastone siciliano perché?
The stick, as the Master Sebastiano Cavallaro says, must be collected quando a pianta sta dormendo. That is, when the plant sleeps in wintertime.
Quando la pianta è in fioritura, ma quando, dice il mio maestro, quando sta dormendo, no? Quando sta dormendo e quindi il periodo invernale.
Guarda Giuseppe, ce n'è uno qua dentro, però non
Misuro col mio.
uno. Sì,
Vuoi misurare col mio? Ce l'ho
no,
qua.
l'altezza c'è. Sì, vediamo. Sì, ci andremo,
c'è,
come
perfetto,
misura ci
perfetto.
andremo.
Anche bello è il diametro, eh?
Sì, ti piace?
Sì, sì.
Va bene. Allora taglio.
Vai.
Va bene. Tanto non faccio male, perché questo è selvatico, non è che dici. Andiamo. Cioè, per me l'arancia amaro, l'unico bastone è questo.
The best plants are bitter orange, wild almond, wild olive.
Viene raccolto questo ramo che è veramente un ramo, no? Con le
The
sue
branch is carefully chosen and straightened with the thermal shock that occurs through fire and water. In this way it becomes flexible and is subsequently massaged with olive oil.
E la poesia dove sta? Che la ricerca del peso specifico, cioè
The poetry, the magic of its construction lies in the balance that the master is able to give to the branch through these barns that change the specific weight of the wood, allowing it a balance which is essential for its use. His movement is given by the rotation of the wrist, while the other hand gives him the direction. The master, after the making of the stick, as if he were a newborn child, kisses him in this way and tells him, "You can go to sleep," and puts him near the already big sticks, so that during the night they can give him advice and wisdom.
Stavo dicendo, durante un duello con una famiglia famosa mafiosa catanese, no? Con dei laudani.
During a duel in the early 20th century, the master Fichera, who lived in these parts, checked the stick a stone's throw from the face of his enemy and was praised for his ability not to strike. Here we are back in Acireale. Here is the gymnasium where the Storiesdancer and master teach the art of the Sicilian cane. Art that becomes dance.
Non l'avevo visto.
Era mimetizzato,
I miei rispetti, come sta?
My respects, how are you?
Questa anche sul posto, anche se fate i passi semplici e li fate.
Young Sicilians learn this ancient art. Traditions must always be maintained. They are the soul of a people.
Scelto il bastone siciliano anche per rappresentare la mia famiglia.
I train with the Sicilian cane to represent my family because my great-grandfather was a shepherd and always wore the stick
Grazie a lui io
to defend himself from wolves.
Che cosa faceva tuo nonno? Bisnonno.
Vado, passo dal cane, via.
Dog step, team step.
Passi di squadra, il resto e senza capo con che sei una. Vai. Si prepari di marca per il resto e fare passi di squadra.
We head towards the house of the Maestro Cavallar, right in front of the Storiesdancer gym.
Qua ci abito io la notte.
This is me doing a karate move.
Sono io e questa è mia moglie Maria.
This is me and this is my wife Maria. Then the master shows us a wall full of photos and certificates. Have done many things in my life. Karate, Sicilian cane, spearfishing. Here while I sing the song
E
indifferently.
canto qua, sto cantando una canzone indifferentemente. Tramonta luna e noi per recitare l'ultima cena restanno mano in mano senza tenere coraggio di guardare. Fammi quello che vuoi indifferentemente. Orazio mio nipote, e questo è il primo bastone che
Maestro Cavallaro decorates some of his canes with Sicilian colors and scenes, transforming them into real artistic objects. They are beautiful and although not very light, they are great for walking. The master promised me to make me one with a dedication. And finally, as a real Sicilian, Maestro Cavallaro invites us to eat with his whole family. A genuine Sicilian lunch with appetizer, first course, second course, side dish, fruit, dessert, and coffee. And just to digest, at the end of lunch, Luciana, the beautiful granddaughter of the master, hits the chandelier with a Sicilian cane.